The community, it's called Cloud, and it's a total of 9 houses. And everybody made his own type of house, so we had all of the freedom. This whole project was actually arranged by the local government. They invested in this piece of land. They actually wanted to experiment with an alternative form of living. It's called a pilot project, so it's going to be 5 years. And if that's a success, then it's going to be probably an additional 5 years. From the way things are looking now, it's very probable that this will be continued, but you never know, and we're hoping that it will. With the community, we have some shared things, and the first example of it is the chickens. So actually every 2 weeks, somebody else is made responsible for the chickens and feed them, clean their shed. And I must say, I didn't know that like fresh eggs tasted so differently than eggs from a supermarket. So that was a big discovery. One other thing is that this house is like our community house. And we meet up here for coffee or maybe to play a game in the evening. But also we do a meeting once every month. You can just like chill here, read a book. Actually, this table, it can raise up through this winch. It's a slow process, but it really makes like a second floor once it's up. So yeah, we meet up here for all kinds of things, and we have 2 washing machines, 1 dryer, 1 oven, and there's actually a toilet in here. So there's some shared stuff. This is a Scandinavian company who they stack all the pieces of wood on top of each other, and then that's the way the house is built. It's the biggest one on the field, and is I think close to 40 square meters, which is the maximum that you can have a house here. So now we're walking through our community area where we grow crops, and there's actually a focus group for different kinds of things within this community. So for example, it's, well, for this piece of land, like a few people are responsible for it, and they are just growing all kinds of stuff. I'm not really into this. I like to eat it, but I don't like to grow it. But you also have a group that is concerned with finance, or a group that is with external communication, so I'm part of that.
We are making our own vegetables. This is beetroot and some beans and I think some more beans. And what's over here? We've got some garlic and some lettuce. This is our greenhouse, and we've got it from an old house that was being broke down. And in the garden, they didn't do anything with it, and the workers were to put out everything. And we mentioned to just get this one for ourselves and could save it for our garden. And we took out all the glasses and then took the frame by hand over here and then put in everything again together, and now we got a second-hand free glass house. And it's very useful for gardening. And over here we are starting to grow tomatoes and pumpkins, and also we had some spinach and some other lettuce over here, but the time of the season is now gone for that.